Did make it to 50 in Boston before the sea breeze moved in. Look at Plymouth, hit 57 degrees, and right now we're 47. See, that's a southeast wind at 7 miles an hour. So if you check it out, you will see that we've got a little bit of sea breeze at work in Beverly and Boston. But away from the coast, there is no sea breeze, and there it's even milder. So you jump to Bedford, it's 51. Nashua's 53. Fitchburg's 53. Worcester, a little bit cooler. That's due to elevation, 1,000 feet up. Downtown Worcester is above 50. 54 right now in Norwood and 56 in Taunton. So pleasant with a mixture of sun and clouds today. Okay, this is the front that means business. It will cross the area during the wee hours of the morning. And instead of this mild air being in control, then we're going to watch a chunk of very cold air invade the region. So the jet stream will pull it right into our area. So that change is going to start to occur around 2, 3, 4 in the morning. So by 5 o'clock in the morning, it's still above freezing, Boston to Providence, though the wind is picking up. And then, look at this, 8 a.m., it's actually colder. 11 a.m., in spite of the sun, the temperature's going down because the cold air mass is actually stronger than the sunshine is going to be in terms of tomorrow. That's how cold the air mass is. So it'll only stay in the 20s to around 30 for the rest of the day with strong winds. And then, look, we drop right on into the teens tomorrow night very quickly. So wind advisory has already been posted from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. tomorrow. As the cold air comes in, there'll be that rush of northwesterly winds. So let's show you some of the gusts that we're going to be dealing with. Even as early as 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, 25, 30 mile per hour gusts, and then they kind of move up to between 30 and 40 miles an hour. And I wouldn't be surprised if there's some gusts above that. So it is going to be a windy day as we turn colder. Look at the wind chill already. Just by noontime tomorrow, we'll be down to the teens in Boston and single numbers off to the west. So we've got some cold stuff that's coming up. All right, check it out. There's your temperature drop tomorrow, very noticeable, and very cold overnight, Wednesday night, and to start Thursday. Thursday afternoon, we may edge just above the freezing mark. Friday in the very early morning will be chilly. Then we'll have clouds. There could be a little spot shower Friday afternoon as we warm up, but we'll stay mild into early Saturday, but it's not going to last. Chillier weather coming in later in the weekend and early next week with perhaps some precipitation at times.